Now, BJP has targeted Priyanka Gandhi over the Palestine bag that she's been carrying in the parliament today. The BJP says Priyanka the bigger disaster than Rahul Gandhi, saying Palestine bag in the parliament is not patriarchy fight. BJP says communal virtue signaling by Priyanka Gandhi. That's the BJP's attack. In fact, Priyanka Gandhi had responded saying that this is patriarchal, the allegations against me or the targeting me over what I'm carrying, what I'm wearing is basically patriarchal. This is the fallout of patriarchy, to which the BJP responds that she's a bigger disaster than Rahul Gandhi. This has nothing to do with patriarchy. The BJP had slammed Priyanka Gandhi for not raising issue on Bangladeshi Hindus after she spotted this tote bag, a pro-Palestine bag, in the parliament. The BJP was quick to attack her, saying that she's remained silent on Bangladeshi Hindus' plight, but is showing solidarity with Palestine. Here you have Priyanka Gandhi, who's responded saying that it's patriarchy at play. The BJP is targeting me because they want to tell women what to wear, what to do. Listening to what Priyanka Gandhi said in retaliation to the BJP's attack.
You want to say something? Why are you carrying this bag?
I've said many times what my beliefs are regarding this. And if you look at my Twitter handle, all my comments are over there.
They say that they said that parliamentarians can't carry this.
Who's going to decide what clothes I wear now? Who's going to decide that? That's typical patriarchy, that you decide what clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want.
Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, followed by Indira ji, followed by Rajiv ji, followed by the Shadow Prime Minister Sonia Gandhi ji, and now followed by opposition leader Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Vadra. All the members of the family of the Gandhi dynasty, all they have done is they have hung the bag of appeasement by their shoulder. कभी भी देशभक्ति लटकाई नहीं है उन्होंने अपने कंधों के ऊपर, उसका भार उठाया नहीं है। उन्होंने हमेशा ही किस प्रकार से हम तुष्टीकरण कर सकते हैं उसी के बैग को लटकाया है। दैट इज द बैग ऑफ अपीजमेंट। और एनी हाउ दिस इज द रीजन, ये जो बैगेज कैरी करते हैं इसी बैगेज के कारण इनकी हार होती है। अब उनको ये समझनी चाहिए।
Let me cut across to Piyush, our correspondent, joining us live for more on that. Piyush, Priyanka Gandhi holding the Palestine bag in the parliament has led to a lot of criticism, questioning her support for Palestine while ignoring the situation of Hindus in Bangladesh. Though we did hear Priyanka Gandhi brought up the Bangladeshi Hindu marginalization in the parliament today as well. But tell us, what exactly is the controversy and how is it blown up like that?
Well, Amila, the controversy broke out after Priyanka Gandhi was seen carrying a bag on which Palestine was printed. In fact, a scarf which she is wearing is also signifying about support to Palestine. Following which we are now seeing how the Bharatiya Janata Party has come out and has slammed the Congress Party over this, claiming that it's nothing but appeasement politics of the Congress Party. Two top leaders of BJP, including Sambit Patra and Amit Malviya, have come out and have said that it's a politics of appeasement, it's a baggage of appeasement on which the Congress Party is now focusing here. On the other side, Amit Malviya, who also is BJP's social media head, has claimed that Congress Party is the new Muslim League Party. So we are now seeing how the BJP is attacking Congress Party over Priyanka Gandhi carrying the bag on which Palestine is printed. On the other side, the Congress Party has slammed has hit back at the BJP, where Priyanka Gandhi himself has led the entire charge on BJP, saying that as far as the appeasement of politics is concerned, why is the government of India is silent over the attack on Hindus in Bangladesh, and why government is not doing anything and not talking to the government of Bangladesh to deal with the situation in which minorities in Bangladesh are being attacked. So we are now seeing how allegations versus counter allegations are taking place as far as this entire politics is concerned. It all began began with Priyanka Gandhi carrying this bag, and also when we asked from Priyanka Gandhi about the BJP attacking to her on carrying the bag printed Palestine, she said that it shows the complete mindset of patriarchy, and nobody can tell me what to wear and what not to wear. So this is what the Priyanka Gandhi is also saying. So we are now seeing massive politics taking place on the entire matter, but the BJP is seeking a lot of questions, a lot of answers from Priyanka Gandhi.
Thanks very much, Piyush, for joining us with those details.